In the English language, we have some set of instructions that everyone understands. Now, for example, when I say to someone at the door, "Come in," the person will not go away from the door, but will definitely come in, right? Of course. When I say to you, "Bring me that laptop," of course you wouldn't bring me your face cap, would you? No. This same principle applies to the computer programming language. A natural language program does not follow a specific set of rules, unlike the fourth generation language. A natural language, sometimes called fifth generation language, is a type of query language that allows the user to enter a request that resembles the speech. Natural languages are often associated with an expert system and artificial intelligence. Some high-level programs are basic. It stands for Beginner's All-purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is a programming language used by beginners. COBOL, it stands for Common Business-Oriented Language. This language is specially designed for business applications. Now, for Tran, it stands for Formula Translation. It is one of the oldest high-level languages. This language was designed to solve scientific problems. In summary, we have learned that computers have their own language. The language that the computer understands is known as machine language and is classified into low-level language and high-level language. Thank you for your time. See you in the next class. Bye.